China came out very well last year, grew at 5.2%, and this year the projection is 4.6% by the IMF, and that was also echoed by many of the investment banks around the world. And yet, I think many cities and provinces in China, they are turning in their plans, and they are most of them projecting to grow at 5%, and we'll see that soon on March the 5th when we have the National People's Congress, where we'll start to hear the growth targets and so on. But in terms of the challenges, I think it's pretty much similar with last year. And so the property sector slump, that's going to continue to weigh on the economy to some degree. Although we have seen that the market has been improving with the recent 5-year LPR cuts, that could also add more the sort of stimulus to the sector. So we're likely to see demand. People are buying more houses, not only because the mortgage rates will be lower, but also 2023 we have seen the completion rate for those unfinished apartment housing has gone up by 17%. So that would also help to boost the confidence of buying houses. On the supply side, many of the state-owned enterprises are whitelisting some of the property developers and preparing to lend, $8 billion more to these property developments. So I think all these are wonderful, welcoming signs for the stabilization of the property sector. And also, China has pivoted towards, new energy, new technology, smart manufacturing. So all of this will also be helpful. Consumer demand is doing well, especially from the early data that we've seen from the Lunar New Year. There has been, 17% more travelers, 8% more consumer spending. So if that spending momentum can continue on, I think that would really be a great boost to the economy in 2024.